Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to BigCommerce for AI-assisted catalog automation, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the BigCommerce website by entering the URL in your browser. Once on the home page, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the button to access the registration page. Fill in the required information such as your email address, store name, and password. Review your entries for accuracy before proceeding. Click on the Create Account or Continue button to move forward. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from BigCommerce. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, return to the BigCommerce site to log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Apps section in the main dashboard. Select the Marketplace option to browse available applications. In the search bar, type AI-assisted catalog automation. Look through the results and find the relevant app. Click on the app to view more details and user reviews. On the apps page, locate the Install or Add to Store button. Follow the prompts to integrate the app with your BigCommerce store. Review the app settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Adjust any preferences for catalog automation based on your business needs. Finally, explore the app's features to fully utilize AI-assisted catalog automation. Your BigCommerce catalog is now set up for automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.